Hey honeys, welcome back. If you're new here, subscribe to my channel. Turn on that bell notification. Tell a friend. Tell that friend to tell a friend. Everybody subscribe. Come back and see me. Okay, y'all. We're gonna get right into this installation video. Now, this is a week later, but you're going to see how neat the installation was on day 1 and 2. So y'all, let's get into it. Okay, honeys, we are starting on washed, conditioned, and stretched hair. If you need any assistance with parting, make sure you check out my DIY parting video 101 for some tips and pointers on parting your own hair. So these next few scenes that you're going to see are going to go pretty fast because I do want you all to see the progression of my hair, but I'm also going to take the time to show you in detail how I do attach the extension hair as well as how I braid down. So let's keep watching. I do want to mention that the size of your braids as well as your sections should be determined by how much hair you have in your head. So try your best not to look at a picture and try to make your hair look exactly like that, because your density as well as your strands are going to be different. So make sure that you tailor this hairstyle for your own personal needs. Y'all, this style took way longer than I thought and I got tired. So as you can see, some of my parts are not as straight as they should be. I probably should have taken a little more time to do this, but y'all, I was ready to get it done and I didn't want to take a break, so it is what it is. It turned out beautiful nonetheless. Okay, honeys, let's get into this hair. So I always pre-section my entire bundle of hair prior to starting. So as of right now, this is one piece for the entire section of hair that I'm about to install. So first I get 2 pieces, which I have done. So that third section is there in my hands, and I'm going to separate that into 2 pieces, and these 2 pieces will later be added to the braid after I have braided past my own natural hair. So let's go ahead and insert the first piece. So we're going to go ahead and hook that around the crochet needle and pull it through. This is just one of the easier ways I have found to start off my jumbo braids, and so that they appear to be knotless. So we're going to go ahead and take that second piece and you're going to add it in perpendicular to the first one. Okay, so we're going to do the exact same thing. Put the hair around the hook, close the latch, pull it through to seamlessly and effortlessly insert that extension hair. Now the next step is to make sure that that extension hair is uneven, because you do want to increase the length of the entire braid. So once you've done that, I'm going to move my hair towards the back of my head so that I can go ahead and start off this first jumbo braid. So let's get into it, y'all. Okay, honeys, now you can choose to put something on your natural hair like a holding product, mousse, shine, and jam, edge control, whatever you use on your hair. You can do that to make your braid a little neater, as well as so that your natural hair will be set in the braid once you're done. But here we are. I've done 3 rotations to go ahead and start that braid, and then I went ahead and added a piece of extension hair, and we're going to continue to braid. Now y'all, I inserted that piece of extension hair in the middle, so I'm going to do 2 rotations, and then I'm going to slide that extra piece of extension hair into that second rotation and continue to braid down. So at this point, I like to take a look at my braid to make sure that it's looking nice and it was okay, or at least it felt like it was okay to my liking. And then what I do, y'all, is for my own ease and convenience, I like to flip my braid over so that I can braid more easily and quickly. And as you can see here I am flipping it over, and y'all, I zoom when I braid like this. So get all that hair together and you can just braid down pretty quickly. Okay guys, so I am nearing the end of my natural hair. As you can see, this is the end, and I'm just going to make sure that that tiny little piece is tucked in very nicely. And once that's tucked in, I go ahead and add that extension piece that I'm going to use to ensure that my braids are the length that I'd like. So here we go. We're going to add that piece of extension hair in the middle. My pointer finger has gripped it, and then I go ahead and start to braid. Now this is how you want to add the extension hair each time. So it's in the middle, you do one rotation over, and then bring that hair right into that rotation so that it is blended seamlessly. As you can see, it's seamless from the back, and I did take a look in the front, and it's also seamless. So once I get down towards the end of the braid, I just go ahead and twist it for my convenience, because I will dip it in hot water at the end. And here we are. You can see that the braid looks pretty nice, and it's pretty uniform all the way down. So we're just going to keep on going so that you can see this one more time.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Okay, honeys, at this point I like to compare my braids to make sure that they look like they're about the same size all the way down. So now it's time to add extension hair again after I've braided past my own hair. So here we go, and I did make a mistake here by continuing to do several rotations before I added that other piece. But again, I would say do what I did earlier in the video. As you can see, this one is just slightly off, but it still looks just fine. So again, reference the way I added the extension hair earlier in the video, braid all the way down, and look at these beautiful flowing ends that have been dipped in hot water. I also moussed my hair, and this is the finished result, y'all. I really do love this style. It's a nice way to complete a protective style on your own at home with your own normal skills. So look at the beauty of these braids and these beautiful fall colors. Y'all, autumn is my time of year, and look at this hair. Now I use most of this towards the front and middle, and in the back I use the black and brown mixture. If you do need tips on blending hair, comment down below and I'll try to make a video for you all. So we are here, y'all.
Any look you want, you can get it. You can achieve it, honey. So, hey, stay tuned around here, y'all. We glow around here, okay? If at any time you need a little light, come on by. Now, the piece you got to find on your own, but I'm definitely hoping that you do. So, peace, love, and a whole lot of light, girl, because you shine, because you a star. You can be a diamond, a star, whatever you want to be, girl. You shine. All right, friends and honeys. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.